Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain Helical Shaped Tool. So you might have seen screw conveyor. So I am going to take the example of this. So right side you can see helical blade. So this is the component I am going to create and show you. Select the front plane, go to sketch, draw a circle, it's 50, select extruded boss of 500 mm, say OK. Now select this face, go to sketch and select this edge, convert entity, go to features, select helix. So I have selected the pitch and revolution, parameters constant pitch, and pitch is 50, revolutions 10 and clockwise. So the pitch direction is in reverse direction. We have to tick mark this and say OK. See here. Now I am going to create a plane. Select this spiral and second reference, select this point and make sure that this is perpendicular, so it has to create in this manner and say OK. Now select this plane and go to sketch, keep it in wireframe, draw one rectangle, so this is 3 mm, this is 50, say OK. Come out of the sketch, see here, keeping in solid. So I am going to use this tool sketch and create a sweep. Select the swept boss and select this contour, this rectangle. As a path, select the spiral and say OK. So I am going to hide sketches and plane. See here. So this is the simplest method to create these kind of components. So I am going to hide this boss. See, this is the blade. So if you want to show only the blade, you can hide this boss. So this is brief about Helical Shaped Tool. Thanks for watching.